Hi players! I made this video para sa mga Sicilian Dragon player na gustong i-out-prepare yung kalaban niya as early as move number 8. It is black to move and ang common na tira dyan for black is D6 and mapupunta na yan sa isang normal Sicilian Dragon setup kung saan prepare yung white and prepare din yung black. But this move that I will suggest as early as move number 8, out-prepare mo na agad ang puti, samantalang ikaw, pasok ka pa sa iyong preparation, and that move is D5. Completely giving up a pawn para magkaroon ng better space ang itim and development. Common tira, kakainin yan, and then black will play knight A5, targeting to eliminate the bishop and mabawi yung pawn sa D5. Common response ng puti, knight DE2. Okay, reinforcing the support on D5 and then you play A6. Let's say nagcastle yung puti. Then you go with B5 plus ang the white will play knight F4, again reinforcing the threat on the support on D5, and then you simply play bishop E7. Okay, let's say Queen D2 or Queen E2. Okay, let's say Queen D2. Kapag nag-Queen E2, no, ma-open yan. And let's say ang puti is tumira ng Queen E2. Okay, again, you simply recover your pieces, which is Knight B3, AB3, B4. Let's say somewhere here. Then capture, and capture. Okay, in this position, nabawi mo na yung lamang mo, na-activate mo yung iyong queen, and meron ka pang mating threat. Plus, if you could see, active yung bishop mo, active ang yung light square diagonal with your open game, which is pabor na pabor at gustong-gustong setup ng Sicilian Dragon.